Hi Papercrafters, I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Do you love the convenience of giving gift card holders? Do you maybe not necessarily like those mass-produced ones that you have to pay for? In my class, Gift Card Holders for All Occasions, I've got 6 different designs. When you give them to your family and friends, they just might like them more than the gift itself. Maybe. And this is a use your stash class. So I show you all different kinds of designer papers and cardstock so that you can imagine what your own stash is going to look like. And guess what? You do not need a die cutting machine to make any of these projects. I make all of my designs with a paper trimmer and punches. Plus I've got all kinds of tips, things like how to make the perfect size belly band, 3 ways to tie a bow, or what to do if you don't stamp something quite right. I've got all the measurements and supplies in a full color tutorial and then videos that walk you through every step of the way. You'll make these designs over and over again so they end up costing you just pennies. So why not click the Get It Now button and let's get started.